Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A5m and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style, and here locate Wallpapers. Now you need to pick the photo that you want to cover your screen with. So let me go for example with this one. Obviously, by tapping you can change it and see how particular photo looks on your device. You can also zoom it in, out to set it as only you want. Then mark apply to, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen, home screen, both of them, or maybe you want to add it to your carousel wallpaper. But I want to set it as both home and lock screen. Here you will be able to see the layout. Just give it a couple of seconds. So here it is. If you'll tap, okay, so now you can, in this panel you can zoom it in, out, however you prefer. I like it this way, so now just mark apply. Tap on OK, and from now on, okay, here you can also change the featured colors, like the dim colors if you want. But basically, once you go back, this brand new wallpaper is on both home and lock screen, obviously if you set it on both. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.